Hello friends, welcome back to MS Tips and Tutorials. Today we will be learning how to use the mod function or the modulus function in MS Excel. Okay, so actually modulus function is a simple function that's used to find the remainder of two numbers. When a number is divided by another number, we'll be getting reminders. Okay, so this function is used to find the remainder of that division activity. So let's have a look how it goes. So in mod function we'll be having two parameters, like one is the number and other is divisor. Okay, then the result. So for example, I am taking two numbers. Let it be 9. Number will be 9 and the divisor will be, let it be 4. Okay, so we all know what's the result of 9 divided by 4. If we divide 9 by 4, the remainder will be 1. You know that. So let's see how we can get that remainder through mod function. Let's see. So the syntax of the function is equal sign mod opening bracket, and first enter. You can see that the syntax is like mod number comma divisor. The number is 9, so click on that number 9. Okay, that's C7. In C7 we can see the number is 7, then comma, then the divisor which is in D7, then comma D7. Then you can close the bracket. Okay, then click on the enter button. See, remainder is 1. Okay, so if we change the divisor to 3, we can see the remainder is 0, because 3 into 3 is 9, so there will be no remainder, so the remainder is 0. And if we change the number to 13, we can see the divisor is the result is 1. Again change the divisor by 4, we can see the result is 1. If we change to 5, then we can see the remainder is 3. Okay, in this way you can get the remainder of any two numbers easily using this simple function in Excel. So that's all for today with the modulus function. This is just an introduction to the modulus function. I hope you understood what I explained in this video. So hope that this video is useful for you. Till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.